This is GitHub Trending Weekly number 14, and today we've got 25 open source projects that are exploding on GitHub right now. Let's go. NetVisor, the tool that makes network discovery and documentation effortless. It automatically scans your network, identifies hosts and services, and generates interactive visual diagrams so you can see exactly how everything connects. With 200 service definitions, Docker integration, and role-based multi-user management, NetVisor handles everything from small setups to complex enterprise networks. Time Capsule automatically fetches the Hacker News front page from the same day a decade back. It grabs the original articles, every comment, and then prompts an LLM to evaluate those discussions with hindsight. It even grades commenters on how accurate or prescient their predictions were, who called it right, who got it hilariously wrong, and which discussions aged like fine wine or spoiled milk. Finally, it generates a full HTML report summarizing everything. SV Excel Agent, the easiest way to turn Excel into a fully automated LLM-powered powerhouse. This project gives AI real tool-level access to your spreadsheets using MCP, with over 30 built-in tools for reading, editing, formatting, analyzing, and automating Excel files directly. You can deploy these AI agents across massive workloads. It's Excel automation, but open source, inspectable, and built for serious work. Your WhatsApp activity is leaking more than you think. This tool, Device Activity Tracker, shows how delivery receipts plus RTT timing can reveal exactly when someone's phone is active, idle, or offline without ever touching their device. Based on the Careless Whisper research paper, it measures round-trip times of message delivery receipts to detect when a device is being used in real time, when it's in standby, possible location or network changes, and long-term activity patterns. Open Scouts, your always-on AI agents that search the web so you don't have to. Think of them as little digital scouts you create, customize, and send out into the internet wilderness. Looking for new restaurants, tracking AI breakthroughs, monitoring niche updates or fast-moving news? Your scouts run on a schedule, 24/7, automatically searching, checking, comparing, and notifying you the moment they find something you care about. Real-Time Translator, a fast Apple Silicon-optimized subtitle generator and translator powered by Whisper. This thing delivers instant speech-to-text, streaming word by word as you speak. No delays, no waiting, just real-time transcription thanks to Faster Whisper or MLX Whisper. Even better, the translation happens asynchronously, meaning the UI stays buttery smooth while your text is being converted into Chinese or any other target language in the background. MiddleQuit, a tiny macOS utility that adds a superpower to your dock. Just middle-click any dock icon to quit the app. That's it. Fast, clean, zero friction. You can choose between a regular quit, a force quit, or both. It even lets you assign modifier keys, auto-launch on login, and hide the menu bar icon if you want that ultra-minimal setup. Stoolap, a modern embedded SQL database written in Rust. Stoolap gives you full ACID transactions powered by MVCC with super high throughput thanks to optimistic concurrency, row-based storage, bitmap indexes, and even parallel query execution. Plus, a legit cost-based optimizer inspired by PostgreSQL, adaptive execution, smart join ordering. Cold Email Generator, a smart outreach tool that takes cold emailing to a whole new level. Just paste in a company's careers page, and it automatically extracts job listings, breaks down the job descriptions, and generates personalized outreach emails tailored to each role. It even pulls relevant portfolio links from a vector database, making every email laser-targeted and genuinely useful. Puzld AI, a terminal-native framework for orchestrating multiple AI agents like a pro. Think of it as your command center for LLMs. It automatically routes each task to the best model, lets you compare agent responses, chain them into pipelines, or even have them collaborate, debate, and reach consensus. But the real magic is agentic mode, where LLMs can propose file edits that you review before applying. Dockerlings, a fully interactive, terminal-based Docker course where you learn by actually doing. You get a beautiful TUI, instant verification so you know immediately if you're right, and a progressive curriculum of 15-plus bite-sized exercises. You'll start with the basics, running containers, checking logs, jumping inside with exec. No friction, no setup pain. Just clone, run, and start leveling up your container skills. Claude Island, a sleek macOS menu bar app that brings dynamic island-style notifications to your Claude Code CLI sessions. Keep track of multiple sessions without ever leaving your workflow. The animated notch overlay lets you monitor live sessions, approve or deny tool executions, and even scroll through full chat history with Markdown rendering. Dawn, short for Draft Anything, Right Now, a distraction-free, terminal-based writing environment. It gives you live Markdown rendering as you type. Headers scale up, math turns into Unicode art, code is highlighted, and images appear inline, all without Electron, a browser, or internet. It's perfect for low-latency focused writing directly in your terminal. Lockenv, a CLI-friendly secret storage tool that keeps your sensitive files safe while staying super simple. It's perfect for small teams who want something easier than SOPs or GitCrypt for managing .env and infrastructure secrets. Lockenv encrypts your files into a single .lockenv vault using a password-derived key so you can safely commit them to your repo and extract them whenever you need. Coolpack, a general-purpose build pack that makes containerizing your apps effortless. It auto-detects your language and package manager, then generates optimized Docker files with multi-stage builds, security best practices, and non-root containers by default. Coolpack also supports BuildKit caching for faster rebuilds, and even serves static sites out of the box with Caddy or Nginx. CSV AI Analyzer, a self-hosted, browser-based AI tool to analyze your CSV files like a pro. Upload your CSVs via drag and drop, and it automatically detects delimiters and renders interactive tables with smooth navigation, even for large data sets. AI-powered analysis with multiple providers like OpenAI and more. Get intelligent insights and customizable visualizations, all while keeping your data private. SilentKeys, a fully offline desktop dictation app built for macOS. All audio capture and transcription happen locally on your machine with zero cloud and minimal latency. SilentKeys uses parakeet models on ONX runtime, optimized for Apple Silicon, streaming your speech directly into any application as you type. Stirrup, a lightweight foundation for building AI agents. Stirrup works with the model, not against it, letting your AI choose the best approach to complete tasks. It comes with built-in best practices from leading agents like Claude Code and Codex, and is fully customizable. Use it as a package or as a starting template for your own agents. CAM, or Continuous Architectural Memory, a semantic memory system designed for Claude Code. CAM gives Claude persistent, cross-session memory by embedding code changes, documentation, and conversations, building knowledge graphs, and enabling semantic search by intent, not just keywords. Automatic hooks integrate seamlessly with Claude Code, keeping memory updates hands-free. Soulbeet, a self-hosted music downloader and manager that bridges SoulSeek and your Beats managed library. Search albums and tracks using MusicBrain's metadata, find sources on SoulSeek, and with just one click, download and import them straight into your organized library. Soulbeet also automatically tags, keeping your music collection streaming ready. HevyAnalytics, a workout data visualizer that turns your Heavy app CSV exports into actionable insights. Track volume trends, personal records, and performance over time with an interactive dashboard. Dive into exercise history, get set-by-set feedback, and visualize your gains like never before. Everything is stored locally in your browser, keeping your data private. xSysInfo, the extended system information utility for classic Amiga systems. It gives you detailed insights into your hardware, from CPU and memory to drives, expansion boards, and cache, along with a full overview of your software environment. xSysInfo also includes benchmarking tools, a user-friendly GUI, multi-language support, and even lets you print or save system reports for documentation. Svelte Bash, the fully typed terminal component for Svelte 5. It gives your apps a realistic shell experience with a virtual file system, command history, and even autoplay sequences for tutorials or demos. Whether you're building a developer portfolio, documentation site, or web-based CLI, Svelte Bash is fast and fully themable with presets like Dracula and Matrix. ComfyEz, a feature-rich web interface for your local ComfyUI instance. It turns ComfyUI's complex node-based graph into a slick, commercial-style playground UI while keeping full flexibility through workflows and node mapping. You can control parameters and manage presets, all without touching code. ComfyEz also integrates LLM capabilities for prompt engineering, rewrite prompts, or even generate prompts from images. Family Callbook, a self-hosted family communication app with secure video and audio calling. Built on WebRTC, it ensures high-quality calls even behind NATs, thanks to a built-in turn-stun server, and supports progressive web app installation for mobile and desktop. Everything is end-to-end encrypted, low-bandwidth optimized, and fully self-hosted, giving you complete control over your data.